Not all machine learning learns the same way. There are three completely different approaches, and mixing them up is one of the most common beginner mistakes. Here's each one properly, with real examples. 3 flavors: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each one is built for a genuinely different kind of problem. Supervised learning trains on labeled examples. Every single input in the training data already comes with the correct answer attached, and the model's whole job is learning to predict that answer for new, unseen inputs. Real example: predicting house prices from past sales. Every past house in the data already has a known, real, final sale price. That price is the label the model learns from. A second example: email spam detection. Past emails are already labeled spam or not spam by real people, and the model learns the pattern that separates them. Unsupervised learning works completely differently. No correct answer is given at all. There are no labels. The algorithm just looks for structure or patterns hiding in the raw data on its own. Real example: grouping customers into segments based on their spending habits, with no predefined categories handed to it in advance. The algorithm decides what the natural groups even are. A second example: finding unusual, anomalous transactions in banking data. Nobody labeled which transactions were weird beforehand. The system just notices what doesn't fit the normal pattern. Reinforcement learning is the real, odd one out. It doesn't learn from a fixed dataset of examples at all. It learns by trial, error, and reward, taking actions, seeing what happens, and adjusting. Real example: an AI learning to play a game. It earns points for good moves and loses points for bad ones, and over thousands and thousands of attempts, it gets genuinely good. A second, very real example. This is exactly how some robots learn to walk, trying movements, falling down constantly at first, and gradually learning which movements keep them upright, purely through trial and error. Let's see all three on the exact same topic, so the difference is completely concrete. Email. Supervised. Learn from emails a person already labeled spam or not spam. Unsupervised. Group emails into topics that nobody predefined. Reinforcement. An assistant learning which emails you actually want prioritized purely from watching your reactions over time. Here's a genuinely reliable way to tell them apart in the wild. Does the training data come with labeled correct answers? That's supervised. Is it just raw data with no answers at all? Unsupervised. Does it involve an agent taking actions and getting rewards or penalties? Reinforcement. In practice, most everyday AI you personally interact with, spam filters, shopping recommendations, price predictions, is supervised learning. It's by far the most common of the three in real products. One more honest nuance: these aren't always kept perfectly separate in real systems. Modern AI products sometimes combine approaches, using unsupervised learning to find structure first, then supervised learning on top of it. So, to recap properly, supervised learning needs labeled answers. Unsupervised learning finds patterns with no answers given. Reinforcement learning learns from trial, error, and reward. Same overall goal, 3 completely different roads to get there. Coming up next in this series, what it actually mechanically means for a machine to learn at all. The real loop underneath every one of these 3 approaches. 3 types of machine learning, with real examples for every single one. Follow AllAboutAIVerse, and let's keep building this out properly.